Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Digital Experience Heroes. I'm joined today with the CMO of AOPA, Jirka Marosek. With everything that you're doing and being so tied to the aviation industry in the way that you are, how are your members and how are you supporting the community right now during this time of crisis?
Now, many of our pilots are staying on the ground like everybody else to make sure we get through this, right? That's, for a majority of pilots, still the right thing to do. Now, for many others, it is critical they actually keep flying and the airports stay open, because those small airports or large airports, all airports, are critical infrastructure in any time of crisis. In the end, we need to make sure we keep operating, and we have the luxury of being able to migrate most of our operations into home offices and basements. We serve pilots from, the cliche is top to bottom. If they need help with changing spark plugs on an airplane, or they're flying critical supplies and they need to make sure that they have the right clearances or they have the right licenses to fly that particular airplane. And it's everything from flying supplies to make sure that face masks get to the right place when there's an outbreak, or these sort of micro uses of aircraft, like one of our pilots that's also a medical doctor in Miami, flying to the Bahamas to pick up samples to test for COVID-19 with a small Cessna, because there's no other way to get there for the samples. And we need to get those samples out to make sure people are safe.
From what I've heard from your partners at Horizontal Digital, right, is that you've been able to weather this transition. Can you tell me a little bit about how your digital transformation and evolution have helped get you and your members through this?
We spent the last couple of years putting a lot of systems in place that made it, and I hate to use that word, but it is easier.
Right.
There's nothing easy about this particular situation for anyone, but having the right tech in place all over the organization made this exponentially more simple.
For a deeper dive in any of these stories, please check out our resource center on our website.